Welcome to the Minnie Mice Minute, your daily dose of Disney news in under a minute. Happy Tuesday, March 10th, everyone. Weather in the parks today will be cloudy with rain and a high of 67 degrees. Park hours today, Disneyland will be open from 8 a.m. till midnight and DC 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. Happy Anniversary to D23. On this day in the year 2009, Disney's officially launched D23, which is their first official fan organization, with premiere issues of Disney 23 magazine, paying homage to 1923, the year Walt Disney Company was started. The official trailer for Disney's live-action Jungle Cruise has been released. Jungle Cruise hits theaters July 24th. Attention APs, beginning tomorrow, Wednesday, March 11th, and every Wednesday night for the rest of this month, you'll be able to ride Soarin Over California for an extra hour after park hours. Valid AP required, and APs must be in the park before closing. Thanks for listening.
Hey guys, it's Gary Vee. Be kind and spread some magic.